The Bezior Gogobest GF600 is not just another electric bike. It's a versatile machine built to handle both city commutes and extreme outdoor adventures. Engineered with power, endurance, and adaptability in mind, this e-bike redefines what it means to ride with freedom. Equipped with a 1000W brushless high-speed motor, the GF600 delivers impressive torque that makes steep climbs and rough trails feel effortless. Paired with a 48V13Ah removable lithium-ion battery, it features a new generation BMS power-saving system that enhances efficiency and protects against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. Riders can enjoy up to 110 kilometers of range in pedal assist mode or around 45 kilometers in pure electric mode, ensuring confidence for long-distance commutes, outdoor rides, or weekend trail explorations. The removable design makes charging flexible and convenient, whether at home, at the office, or on the go. Adaptability is one of the GF600's strongest traits. With 3 riding modes: electric throttle for effortless cruising, pedal assist for extended journeys with balanced effort, and standard cycling mode, it provides a tailored experience for every situation. Whether you're rushing to work, enjoying a leisurely ride, or tackling rugged terrain, the GF600 adjusts to your needs with seamless ease. Durability and comfort are at the core of its design. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame offers excellent strength while keeping the bike easy to maneuver, while the high-strength carbon steel front fork absorbs shocks from bumps and rough surfaces. To further enhance control and stability, the bike rides on 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires that provide superior grip on multiple surfaces, whether pavement, gravel, sand, snow, or mud. Even on rainy days, the anti-slip tread ensures maximum traction and confidence. For gearing versatility, the Shimano 7-speed transmission system allows riders to switch smoothly across different gradients and speeds, while aluminum alloy double-walled rims add extra durability. The front suspension fork brings strong shock absorption, making rides smoother, reducing fatigue, and providing stability even on challenging trails. More than just performance, the GF600 is designed with safety and reliability in mind. Its powerful braking system and durable frame ensure confident stopping power and long-lasting resilience. The combination of rugged mountain capability with urban practicality makes this bike a true all-rounder. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets, exploring hidden mountain paths, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road, the Bezior Gogobest GF600 is built to be your ultimate riding companion. With its balance of power, comfort, and endurance, it's more than a bike. It's a gateway to new adventures and endless possibilities.